Alright, I decided to make this video today to show my version of a hot water pressure wash cabinet. It's an old sandblast cabinet I got from a local machine shop, and did some modifications to it. Cut a hole in the top, put glass in it for a light. I already had a hot water pressure washer. So I ran the hose all the way over, through the wall, and out to the cabinet. It drains into here, into this tub. I've got it set up and baffled as an oil water separator. The clean water goes into the sewage system. So it's a total loss system. I checked into a few of the cabinets that they sell. One company wanted to rent me one for like $350 a month. Another company wanted to sell me one for $16,000. I said, it's just not worth it. So I built my own. I'll give you a quick demonstration of how it works. I have air and water inside the cabinet, so you can blow the parts off when you're done. Turn on the pressure washer. I don't have any windshield wipers on it as of yet. Something I'm considering. I just put Rain-X on the glass to try and see if that helps with the vision. I guess it would also help if my brand new light fixture from Home Depot had both bulbs working. I guess I'll have to take that back. But anyway, I got an ATV head in here. It's pretty nasty. I'm gonna give it a quick shot. I don't know how well this is gonna work because I'm by myself, but see if it'll stay there while I do it and hold the camera. And a foot pedal for a sewer jetter. And let's give it a shot. When both my light bulbs work, you can see a whole lot better. I'll open it up here and see how it looks. Steam coming out. You can see in just a few, literally seconds, it's clean as it can be. It works really well. Thank you.